Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna how to convert a string with this format into a date data type. So how can we do that? Let's start with the date. Is a string date string. Now we can use the simple date, let's see here, simple date format from this section here, from Java.text. Now we're gonna call it as date format, and then we need to get the pattern we want to format that text, the string, and simple format. The format I'm using here is from letter, number, and number 2. So for the letters, I'm gonna put in, for the name, month name, I'm gonna put it 4M space 1G and y 4 y's. Now we have the format, we have the date, we need a try catch. I want to put a try catch to catch some exception. I will print this exception. If something happens, we catch this simple exception in here. Now what I want to do is create a date from the util package. I'll call date, and then I'm gonna get date format point parse. So I want to parse this date in here now to convert in date. Let's see how this works. As you can see, give back for us a date. So we take this date and use this line of code to pass the string to a new date. Now we can give a system out print to print this date, and let's run it. As you can see, now is a date. If we put one more number here, let's see what's happening. Still works good. If you put what's gonna happen? Still working, nice. If you put a number here, give me an error. So I can put the number, but I can't put the name. Let's go back. And this is how you pass a string to a date. You can use this way to do. Simple. I hope you like this video. Subscribe now to help me to motivate myself to make more videos, and know I'm helping because I want to help you. See you on the next one. Ciao.